my name's Matt Richards, and we are here at ISE 2026, coming at you with another product spotlight here at the BG-AIR booth. And you know what, today we're going to be talking about the BG-AIR4KAST-PRO, which, by the way, is an award winner. So we're really happy about that. You're probably a little bit familiar already with the BG-AIR4KAST. We talked about it quite a bit. It's been an awesome product for us. 4K signal wirelessly has been just a really nice market to fill. And it's presented a couple of different problems though, because if you weren't already aware, trying to get signal wirelessly here in an environment like ISE where there's a lot of other signals going around, that's pretty difficult to do. And the AIR4KAST, while it was really great for residential or home use, it did struggle a little bit in an environment like this. But the good news is our AIR4KAST-PRO has completely fixed this issue. This is a bulletproof solution. We are not having any issues at all. In fact, up here to my left, we are sending signal here live at the trade show wirelessly. So you're getting 4K 60 wirelessly, and the latency is insanely low with this. Whereas, you know, it was a little bit higher with the AIR4KAST. It could be a little bit difficult to game with it just simply because of that latency. But now we're talking 16 milliseconds or lower. So it is extremely low latency. We're really proud of this product, and something that's really cool that's coming up with this is after the first batch that we're selling, these are actually going to be able to distribute one signal up to 4 receivers. So one transmitter up to 4 receivers. So really great solution. We're excited about it. Hope you guys are interested in it. If you are, go ahead, check out our website. It's going to be at BG-AIR4KAST-PRO. You can go there, type in AIR4KAST-PRO, and you'll be able to see it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to have more content here at ISE.